Today I am going to share sausage, bread, toast or omelette recipe. Sausage 3 pieces. Cut it into small pieces. Three slices of white bread. Separate the middle part. Leave aside. Three eggs. Black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Salt to taste. Spring onion, 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Butter, 2 tablespoons. Spread the butter. Add bread. Add sausage. Add egg mixture. Add mozzarella cheese. Press. Fry 3 minutes. Flip. Fry another 2 minutes. Done. Ready to serve. Enjoy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more video.